Hello, my name is Lance Lynn, and this is the final episode for Drawn to Nature. To finish off my artwork, I decided to draw three local birds in La Jolla: the green parrot, pelican, and seagull. I also wanted to create a surreal aspect to my art by having the birds come out of the sketchbook, and I did this by duplicating my bird drawings and blurring them. A lot of the times before I detail my birds, I create um, layers that are just the base colors so I could use that as a foundation. For my bird subjects, I wanted to create a vibrant aspect to them. So for the pelican, I used various colors such as beige, blues, and pinks. Different from the seagull, I decided to use a brush pen instead of the Inca and pixel brushes that I used for the seagull, and I constantly lower the opacity to create another sense of detail. In order to create the back wing, I created another layer below the pelican base body so that way I can have all the colors nice and neat. To create the feathers and the wings, I first used a very small brush to create the shadows and to create the base forms before I started adding color. And instead of using black for the wing color, I decided to use dark blue and cyan for the highlights. Also, when I am recording this, I'm pretty sure this is during the Australian Grand Prix, which was all the way back in March. But as I am editing this, I am now done with all of my exams. And to wrap things up, I'm gonna create one more time lapse, and then that will be it for Drawn to Nature. I hope you enjoyed this series, and in the future I will release a full time lapse of the artwork.